Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be a 750 subscriber giveaway video. So I'm going to go over the content of the giveaway as well as the rules. But first I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos, to comment on my videos. I started this as a hobby. I do have a full-time job, so I started this as a hobby and the support has been tremendous. So thank you. So the first thing in the giveaway is a rhinestone wheel. And I think there's about 10 striping tapes in this. So there's like a pink, purple, gold, silver. There's a white. I use these rhinestones to practice a lot with my practice hand. But you can also use them on your nails. I just like to use some of the rhinestones that were included in kits to practice versus the more expensive ones. So also in the kit you will get two 100-180 grit buffers and two 100-180 grit nail files. I'm also including a cuticle pusher. And all of these are items that I did get from Modelones. They're duplicates or items that I have multiple of that I really can't use them all. So I decided to put them in a giveaway. None of these items have been opened or used. They're all brand new. And like I said, they're duplicate items. So there's some items for the nail art. There's some items for nail prep. You're also going to get this fluffy dust off brush, whatever it's called. Going to also include some of Modelones wipes. This one is the UV gel cleanser, so it can be used to remove the tacky layer or inhibition layer from your polygels or your your top coat that isn't non-wipe. These removal wipes, I just want to say that I really do like these a lot. When I do gel polish on my toes, I do use these. Or if I do a natural nail overlay, I use these to remove the product. So these are pretty good. They don't have a strong smell to them or anything like that. And your skin isn't overly dry when you're done using them. So I do like these wipes a lot. And I think there's about 20 or so in each pack. I didn't personally pull them out and count them, but those are there for you. I'm also going to include a top coat and a base coat. These are also by Modelones. These are also brand new, never opened. I have been using Modelones top and base coat. That's usually the one I reach for the most, and I've never really had a problem with it. So the next thing is you get a choice. You get to choose from 3 polygels. You can either choose the polygel or the other items I'm going to show. It comes in white, pink, clear, 15 milliliter bottles. So if you choose the polygel, you are going to get a size 6 brush that came in one of my kits and some dual forms that came in one of my kits. So these dual forms, I actually do like them. I don't use dual forms very often, but when I do, I use these. They have the lines, they have the wider, they're pretty big. So they fit my wide thumbs. They do have a curve to them, but I do like these, especially because they have the line so you can kind of get a more consistent application. So if you choose the polygel, that is what you'll get. The 3 polygels, the brush, and the dual forms. If you don't want the polygel, you can choose one. You can choose these 3 glitter gel pots. So the first color is Oscar Skirt 001, and it is a silver holographic. And the swatch was only with 1 coat of the glitter gel polish. 002 Champagne, which is a gold holographic glitter gel polish. And the last one is Tiffany Pink in 004, which is a pink holographic glitter gel polish. So you can either choose the polygel or you can choose the glitter gel pots. If you want the glitter gel pots, I'll also include this size 6 brush for you. And I like to dedicate one brush specifically to my glitter pot so that I don't end up with glitter when I don't want glitter. So you can just use this brush just for your glitter if that is what you choose to select. So if you don't want the glitter gel pots or the poly gel, you can choose these 3 glitter gel polishes. So these were duplicates in a kit, so these have never been opened, as well as the other products. They were duplicates, never opened, so if they were already sealed, they are still sealed. So the first color is black, and here's the swatch of that, just a regular black. The second color is like a nude lavender. So it's like a nude with like lavender undertones to it. And the third one is a rosy pink. So it's up to you what you get. Just you have to let me know if you want the poly gel with the dual forms in the brush, the glitter gel pots with the brush, or the 3 gel polishes. Everything else is included: the rhinestones, the dust brush, the wipes, the base coat, the files, the cuticle pusher. That's all coming included. You just have to choose which enhancement you want. So this giveaway is US only, and there are 3 rules. The first one is you have to comment on this video. The second rule is you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So the first rule, what needs to be included in the comment? You have to comment enter me. Make sure that you spell it right, because that is when I use the random picker, that's the word I'm going to enter to select the random winner. Enter me. So the first thing in your comment is enter me. The second thing in your comment is your Instagram name. The third thing in your comment is your choice: poly gel, gel pots, or gel polish. And then the fourth thing is, let me know what upcoming content you'd like to see on this channel. Within reason, I will accommodate. So let's go over what needs to be in the comment one more time. You have to comment enter me spelled correctly. You have to enter your Instagram name. You have to enter your choice of poly gel, gel polish, or gel pots, and just what type of upcoming content you'd like to see on this channel. So second rule is you have to be following me on Instagram. My Instagram name is in the description box below. Same name as this channel, Loved by Birdie Nails. And the third thing is you have to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. I'm going to pick the winner on Instagram on January 11th. That is a Saturday. So I will either DM you or do a post. Either way, you will be tagged. You will get a notification. So at that time, I will ask for 2 screenshots. A screenshot that you're following me on Instagram, and a screenshot that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. If for some reason I get a new notification that you just subscribed or you just followed me after I picked the winner, unfortunately, I'm going to pick another winner. So if you're going to enter, make sure you're also subscribed and following me at the time that you enter this giveaway. So again, I'm going to pick the winner on Instagram. It will be January 11th, which is a Saturday. So I'm going to go through the rules again, and then a little bit slower, I guess, or if you need to hear the rules again, watch the video again. Unfortunately, I'm not putting them in the description box. I just want to ensure that you have watched the video. So the rules are this giveaway is US only. No international. I cannot afford the shipping. So US only. The first thing you have to do in the comments down below is comment enter me spelled correctly. Give me your Instagram name. Give me your choice of what you want: the poly gel, the gel polish, or the gel pots. And just let me know what type of upcoming content you like to see on this channel. So there's 4 things that need to be in the comments. enter me, your Instagram name, your choice of what you want to receive, and then upcoming content. The second thing is you have to be following me on Instagram. That is at lovedbyverdienails.com. That is in the description box below. And then the third thing is you have to be subscribed to this channel, to my YouTube channel, Loved by Verdie Nails. Again, I'm picking the winner on Instagram on January 11th. That is a Saturday. I'll either tag you in a post or DM you so you will get a notification. I will ask for 2 screenshots. The first screenshot is that you're subscribed to this channel. Sorry, I got cut off. So the 2 screenshots. One is that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, and the second one is that you're following me on Instagram. Again, if I pick you as a winner and then I get notifications after I've picked you that you've just followed me or you just subscribed, I will pick another winner. So those are the rules. I think it's pretty simple. I think this is a good little kit. Also, if you wanted to try, the glitter pots, or if you want to try some Modelones products, this is a good little kit for you guys. So again, I do want to say thank you for all my subscribers. I want to say thank you for all of the engagement, you guys, in the comments down below, the comments on my Instagram. Unfortunately, I don't get to respond to everyone. I do try and pick a day out of the week and just go through my comments and respond. I do have a full-time job or full-time career, so I don't have, a lot of time to always be on my phone. So this is something that did start out as a hobby for me. Like, I've been doing my nails for a while. I'm kind of new to the enhancements, but I wanted to document my journey on YouTube. I wanted to make new friends in the nail, realm, and just, have more conversations with people, learn more, share what I've learned. And so far, this journey, like the past 6 months, this has been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of work trying to get out 3 videos a week, but it's been a lot of fun. My nail room is a huge source of relaxation for me, and that's something that I really needed this year. Don't want to get too much into my personal business, my personal life, but this is fun for me. It's relaxing, and I just really appreciate how much I've grown since my first video in June. So that's why I do want to know what content you want to see from this channel upcoming. But I really appreciate you guys. I really, really appreciate, the people that reach out to me all the time, the people that comment all the time, the conversations I have, in my Facebook Messenger or in my Instagram DMs with some of you ladies. It really means a lot to me. So I wanted to say thank you. I hope this giveaway shows my appreciation so far for you guys just coming along for the ride. So for the 50th time, thank you so very much. Please be sure to enter the giveaway. But if you're not entering the giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So definitely, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this video to this subscribe to this page. Don't subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will be back Wednesday for another video. Again, thank you guys so very much.